during the winter season. Another diagram is summer season. In summer season, you have southwest winds. In winter season, you have northeast winds. See, this is India. For this is India. In summer season, see, in summer season, winds are like this. Southwest winds. In winter season, so it's like this, northeast winds. That's why during southwest northeast winds, one diagram. Current, the ocean current direction changes. During southwest winds, again changes. All currents will not change. One current changes, that's all. Okay, I'll explain this. See, observe carefully. That's why you have to that's all. Remaining I cannot draw. Okay? And draw the equator. Draw the equator. Now observe carefully. When northeast winds come, no, the winds come like this, no. The winds come like this, no. So the ocean current moves like this. And it comes here. Here you have in Africa, Madagascar, Mozambique are there, no. Mozambique islands. So the ocean current from here, it divides. The ocean current divides like this. The ocean currents divide. One is called the Madagascar ocean current. This one is called Mozambique ocean current. The other one is called Agulhas. Just three names of the places, that's all. Mozambique ocean current, same only, but divides in branches, that's all. One current divides in branches. Agulhas ocean current, Mozambique ocean current, Madagascar ocean current, okay? After that, you know, what is this? Westward drift, all know, no, westward drift. Okay? Then, friends, here you have Australia. This is Australia. So next ocean current is, next ocean current, what is this? This is west. I told you, no, west ocean current. East Australian current is a warm current. West Australian current is a cold current. Okay, that's all. Only four currents only. Westward drift, West Australian current. These three together only. Mozambique, Madagascar, Agulhas current, three. And this one is called Northeastern Ocean current. The name is, because northeast winds are the northeast. That's why Northeastern Ocean current, Northeast Ocean current. And you have one thing I forgot. North equatorial current is not there, because in northern hemisphere there is no place. But southern hemisphere you have southern equatorial current. That is there. But north equatorial current is not there. Okay. Okay, friends, now next, during southwest monsoon. Southwest means June, July, August, September. During those months, when you have southwest winds, see, these ocean currents will not change. What happens, you know, this ocean current is there, no, it disappears. It will be replaced by southwest ocean current. But one more current comes, that is counter equatorial current will come. I'll tell you, see. Example. Australia, equator, okay, see. During the southwest winds, the currents flow like this, see. Like this. Okay. And again, you have same south equatorial current only. So, and this south equatorial current breaks into three parts. You know, three parts: Mozambique, Madagascar, and Agulhas current. Then you have westward drift. Then you have, what is this current? This is called west current. That's all. West Australian current is same. Southern equatorial current is same. Westward drift is also same. These three currents also same. I forgot to draw island. Here, draw an island. Only this current. See here, this current is like this, northeast. Here, this is southwest. This is called southwest ocean current. That's all. Southwest ocean current.